trucks whenever needed if they are seeing a trend here with accidents. And Rhonda and Evrod, you can see looking live 696 and Telegraph. The snow may be gone, but it is certainly a busy morning here at the Operations Center. Back to you.
Sure is. Was hoping for a better morning drive today, Lauren. Thank you.
Yeah, time now is 6:35, and you know it's really cold out there, bitterly cold, and it's probably taking a toll on your monthly budget as heating costs rise. But there are ways that you can save a little bit of money.
Yeah, by holding in more of that heat in your house. Sean Lay joins us now live from Ortonville with some advice from the experts on insulating our homes and ways we can actually do it ourselves. Sean, good morning.
Good morning to you. Negative 27 degrees below zero here is a wind chill in Ortonville. You want to save money, of course, but we're all spending so much on heating our homes right now. The furnace running almost constantly to warm your home. And the other thing is your home just might be uncomfortable. Some rooms might be cold right now because this is such an unusual cold snap we're having with this whole polar vortex thing. So we have come out to Ortonville to Ace & Sons Insulation. If you want more insulation in a home, or if the home needs more insulation, this is Charlie Akers, the owner. Charlie, how much is that going to cost for a refresher if you want some extra insulation?
A typical attic, depending on the size, how much prep they need, can be between like $1,000 to $2,000. And if we're talking the walls, it could be anywhere between $2,000 to $4,000. And again, depending on the size of the house, and if we're talking again in the attic, how much prep do they need? But a little bit of prep will go a long way.
So a lot of folks will try to, they'll do-it-yourselfers can add insulation to the attic. A lot of people do that. If you add too much, you might have some roof damage due to some related heat issues later in the year. But if you do it in the walls, that sounds a lot more challenging if you try to add to your wall.
Yeah, we don't recommend that a homeowner tries to do the walls themselves. That should be left to a professional, because if you try to do the walls yourself, you can end up destroying your house. Homeowners that have tried have had major electrical issues. They got called electricians. They knocked the wires out. So the walls should be left to a professional, and they don't want the house to look like somebody, you know, of course, destroyed it. So it's important that the walls be left to a pro. That's
pretty challenging. So about 1 in 20, 1 in 30 homes don't have enough insulation. That's maybe why if you grab a dish out of the cupboard, it's cold. So insulation is key. A lot of people talk about windows and everything. That's important too, but insulation is the first foundation that you want to look at if your home's a little chilly this morning. We're live in Ortonville this morning. Sean Lay, Local 4 today.
My dishes are chilly. It's a very interesting point, Sean. Thank you. Also insulating your pipes as well. A lot of people have had those frozen pipes. ClickOnDetroit.com is the place to go for all your weather information. You can stay up to date on the temperatures, the school closings, radar, so much more. You can head to the weather section right there on the homepage. 6:37 is your time, and happening today, Detroit is going to be well represented at the President's State of the Union address. Some notable local attendees, prominent women here in Detroit.